5 best affiliate marketing niches for beginners. If you're just starting affiliate marketing, where do you start from? What niche should you play in? You're thinking, you're wondering. So today I'm going to be sharing with you the 5 best niches you can hop in and start if you're just starting affiliate marketing. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Number 1 is technology. The technology niche, you have loads and loads of products you can promote, from software to physical products, digital products, ebooks, and all that. There's a lot. If you're into website, there's hosting product. If you're into digital marketing, there's product like SEO product. There's a whole lot. So when it comes to technology, you will not lack product to promote because there's a lot. All you need to do is find out which one you are interested in. Of course, I'm talking about your passion, because if you're going to succeed in affiliate marketing, you have to have passion for something. And that passion will drive you to look for products around your passion. So technology is number 1. So go ahead. Number 2 is personal finance. Personal finance has to do with things like investment products, loan products, savings products. All these things are in the personal finance niche. And of course, wealth education. So there are several affiliate marketing products you can promote in the personal finance niche. So if you're somebody who is good, who is interested in personal finance, or you have passion around that, or you have audience around that, you are willing to build your audience around personal finance, that is a place to start. Number 3 is travels. Travel and tour, right? Things like hotel, accommodation, air ticketing, and cruise and all that. All of them are in the travel and tours. And there are several affiliate marketing programs. There are several companies offering one incentive or the other if you can help them get more people to their product. Airlines does it, hotels does it, companies that manage all these things, they do it. So all you need to do is, if there's an area you want to play, go ahead, go into the travel and tour, and start promoting. What you can do is to go to Google, type affiliate marketing programs under the travel and tour niches, and you're going to see loads and loads of products. You can do that for other, the other niches I've mentioned. Number 4 is health and fitness. Health and fitness. Everybody wants to remain healthy, right? And health and fitness is one area so many persons will be interested in, both male and female. Everybody wants to look healthy. So you have things like supplements, you have things like products that most people are interested in, all right? And drugs. All these things are under health and fitness. And if you are somebody who already have audience around health and fitness, or you are passionate, because you may not have audience as a new beginner, you may not even have one audience, but if you are interested in it, that means you are ready to create content, you are ready to build an audience, build a community around this area, thereby triggering them to be able to use your link to buy something. Remember, affiliate marketing is about somebody buying something and you getting paid a commission when the person make actual purchase. All right, so health and fitness is an area. Finally, number 5 is cosmetic and beauty. Of course, everybody wants to look beautiful, especially the female gender. All right, so if you have audience or you have passion around fashion and beauty area, cosmetic and beauty niche will be good for you. You have things like cosmetic products, perfumes, surgery products. There's a lot. Things that will allow people look beautiful. And of course, there are several organizations, several individuals who have products who are offering them on affiliate market, so that when you help them bring in more customers, they'll give you their money. All right, so these areas are the hottest. These 5 areas I've mentioned. Let me run through them again. Number 1, technology. Number 2, personal finance. Number 3, travel and tour. Number 4, health and fitness. And finally, number 5, cosmetic and beauty. If you go to any one of them, you're going to make money. So what do you need to do? Get started immediately. And of course, I will see you again in another exciting video.